How to add trusted contacts or emergency contacts in DiDi application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to share your location and inform them about your current live location on your DiDi application to ensure your safety reasons, then you can actually add a trusted contacts in DiDi application. So to do that, first thing, simply open up your DiDi application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. Now simply select this option, that is hamburger icon at the top left corner after successfully logging into your account, and just head over to the option that is your safety center. So as you can see, when you tap on that, here you can get the option to actually share your trip with the friends and families in a single tap, that is your trusted contacts itself. So you can just tap on that, and from over here at the bottom of your screen you should see the option that is add trusted contacts. So simply select it, and once you select it, just allow the DiDi to access your contacts. And from your contacts list, you can basically choose any one of these number over here and simply click on add. And once you click on add, your particular number with the particular person's name will be added as a trusted contacts, and whenever you hit the emergency button or during your ride, they will be quickly informed about your situation. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.